Stop the fall of the hair and make it grow very fast by applying this homemade shampoo. If you apply this shampoo correctly, in just a few days you will notice how the fall will begin to stop, in addition to growing strong and long. The best of all is that it can be prepared with only 2 ingredients that you surely already have at home. To make this shampoo first, we will use the cinnamon, which has very good benefits for the hair because it is excellent to prevent it from falling and is a perfect stimulant for its growth. It is known and one of the most used around the world for its thousands of benefits to treat hair. Using it is recommended as a treatment to reduce hair loss and promote healthy growth for people with damaged and maltreated hair. In a container, we will start by adding a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. The next ingredient we will use is coffee. It has been shown that in the presence of caffeine, the roots become thicker and the hair grows longer in less time. Your hair will receive more nutrients and will have a robust, shiny, and beautiful appearance. Coffee is excellent for preventing and reducing fall. We will add 3 tablespoons of instant coffee with the cinnamon and stir with a spoon so that they integrate well. Take advantage and tell me from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Natalia Ramirez from Chile. Thanks for watching each tip. And now as a final ingredient, you can use shampoo. This can be the same shampoo you already have at home. Then mix well, since these 3 ingredients together become an excellent multivitamin for the hair, which can supplement the vitamin deficiencies that your hair needs to be healthy and hydrated. Thanks to the combination of cinnamon antioxidants and coffee caffeine, they will help promote healthy hair growth, in addition to providing a lot of shine. To apply this home shampoo, you must have your hair moist. Then apply the shampoo, giving light massages from the root to the tips for approximately 5 minutes. Then remove this shampoo with plenty of water. You can do this treatment twice a week if what you want to achieve is to avoid hair loss and grow faster. We advise you to use this natural product as it will stimulate blood circulation in the scalp much better. And best of all, it will serve as a natural exfoliant thanks to coffee. If you have come this far, leave me the phrase natural shampoo so I will know that you saw the full video. And I would also like you to rate this tip from 0 to 10 to see if you found it interesting. See you next time.